in the gym. Before, I've got the hip thrusts all set up, but ooh, my hair. Now we have to warm up. And again, mobility dynamic stretching before you work out, so you're moving through this stretch. I usually do 3 movements. Nothing crazy. I probably should be doing more though, especially since I have scoliosis. And I feel like I always do the same movements. I'm a creature of habit, but I really like the Cossack squat. And then sometimes if I already have my hip thrust barbell set up, I'll literally just hold onto it to kind of help, because I have terrible balance. And again, you're slowly moving through this stretch. I'm gonna see how heavy I can go on hip thrusts today. I'd like to hit a PR, but I don't know. I took a few days off the gym, and I noticed if I'm not like consistently going, like take a few days off, I feel like I lose my strength really fast. I also didn't eat lunch, so maybe that isn't a good idea. All right, now we're gonna do hip openers. Okay. Every time I do this, I just hear cracks. I don't know how to work this camera. I need to start saving phone numbers. I just get numbers texting me and then I never open it. All right, now we're gonna do, can you guys see me, toe touches into squats. So again, you're basically touching your toes, and then you come down into a squat, come back up, and just repeat that movement. You definitely don't want to do this in the ivory. Yeah, that was a bad idea. All right, time to thrust you guys up in hopes that I can go heavier. I'm doing it on the Jones machine, so for hip thrust, you want to be, 90 degrees. You want to come all the way down and then all the way back up for full range of motion and come up to full extension, keeping your chin tucked. Although with this low of a bench, these are probably more like cast glute bridges, to be honest, because all the benches were taken. This one's short, but I mean, I'm pretty short, so it doesn't matter, but I just don't get like as much range of motion if it is higher, but the glutes still be burning and be working, so it don't matter. Well, I'm gonna do 3 sets. This is first set, so I'm gonna play some music if you don't mind. Vomit. I got heartburn. Alrighty. Our last set. No recording. I think so. I'm feeling a tad bit nauseous. Just a little bit. So we've got 3 45s and a 10 on each side. I've been stuck at the same hip thrust weight for, bro, it feels like forever. So I've slowly been like the last set, just even if I can't do like 10 clean reps, just adding a little bit of weight to help me get there. And it has helped because I feel like I just wasn't pushing myself for so long. Like I was doing up to like 3 plates and then being like, okay. And I wasn't even attempting to go heavier, even if it was just for 3 reps. So I'm really trying to prioritize that so I can increase my weight. I also think me not eating lunch today is not gonna help. But if I can get 4, I'm good. But I am starting to feel a little nauseous, so I'm a little nervous. So I'm not feeling hopeful, but I'm going to tune in my music. Ooh, I'm scared. I got 6, but it started getting harder to come all the way up. But hey, maybe next week I'll be able to add a 5. All right, now you can see me. So next we have sumo deadlifts. This is my first set. I'm going to increase weight each set. So again, sumo deadlifts is a wider stance. And then I've got my grippy squares, literally my favorite things. I'm gonna pop in my music and do my sets. All right, next we're doing single leg press. I already did this leg for TikTok, so now I'm doing this one for YouTube. Sometimes for single leg movements, I do rest in between each leg, especially because this one is weaker. So I usually won't, if I go immediately into the next leg, I usually won't be able to do as much on this one. So this leg is so weak. I'm over it. Okay, you guys really can't see me. I don't want to have my camera up in the, what you call it, so you can hold the bad angle, but we're doing reverse deficit lunges, and I'm using a 45-pound plate to kind of give me more range of motion. I already did the right leg, now we gotta do the left leg because we don't want to be lopsided. 3 sets. Let's go. And again, you're pushing through your heel. next we have cable kickbacks. We're just going straight back. We're not doing medius kickbacks. And then we're going to Chipotle. And again, for these, I don't like to be all the way bent. I just have a slight lean forward. Oh gosh, I'm tired. This is the worst angle ever, and I apologize, but I'm on my gorilla pod, so I can't adjust it. But I might be able to make it. No, it's okay. It's all you think me tired. Okie dokie. So, last exercise, woohoo, is leg extensions. And then we're going to Chipotle to get a big old burrito. I hate this new one they got because my arms aren't long enough, so I'll be struggling to get a good grip because they're not long. And then I feel like I can't go all the way back, like I have to be seated forward for me to be able to get good grip. I don't like this. Also, I have an abnormally long hair that I forgot to shave on my leg. All right, bye.